So here I am, I'm logged into Empower 3.0 as though I am John Beatty. Notice here that we have three different tabs, and this is kind of what makes Empower 3.0 different than the previous 2.3 version, is that they tried to put everything really close together, that you didn't have to do a whole lot of searching to get from item to item. So here we would have a list of things that involve instruction. So if we were doing embedded activities or playlists or quizzes or whatever, those would all show up or appear here. Then we've got scoring, which is what this particular video is about. And then we've got reporting, which is about adding progress report comments or looking at the progress report printer or other different tools that are within Empower. But we're looking at scoring for this particular video here. And notice I have a particular course section and a gradebook, a social studies gradebook. You've seen previously on how to set that up. Now we're talking about scoring. And notice that I can scroll all the way through, and these are all of the various learning goals that I am now able to score that are a part of my gradebook. And here's the thing, you will notice that work habits are down here on the end. And I might be working on one particular thing that's right here about, for example, identify major regions of the Earth. I have to scroll about 2/3 of the way in order to see this. So if I want to, I can take this and drag it and move it so that if it is something that I am going to be working with right away, I can just keep dragging it over until it's at the beginning, and then that way I don't have to scroll all the way over just to do the scoring. Now, all of our scores are available right here. All right, and all I have to do is select one, so such as the 3.0, and I can then click on every student that deserves a 3.0. If I want to save some time, if I thought just about everybody was going to get a 3.0, I would hit this little down arrow, and it's going to give everyone a 3.0, and then I could go through and just click on the students. After I've selected a 2, possibly, I can go through and just give those students that only deserve a 2, a 2. Maybe I have some that deserve a 4. I can click on the 4 and then click on those students that get that score. So we have a couple new items here, actually 3. We've got B for behind pace, OP for on pace, and EP for exceeding the pace. Now, this is to be used for if I have been teaching a particular learning goal to students, yet I haven't had the opportunity or time to give a summative assessment and score it, and I don't feel comfortable giving a score on the report card. I can indicate to parents that, yeah, we've been working on this, we just haven't scored it yet, but on the next reporting period, you will see an actual score there. So I'm going to let you know how your kid is doing at this point. So what I would do is click on pace, and then click on those students that are currently on pace. Basically, they're where I expect them to be for that particular grade level learning goal. Okay, for those that are behind pace, I'm going to click BP and then click on the cells for those students. And if I have a couple that are exceeding the pace, they're ready to go. They're just kind of waiting for me to finish up with the rest of the class. So basically, I can give those scores. This will indicate to parents that, yeah, we just haven't scored that particular learning goal yet, but your kid is on pace right now, or behind pace, or exceeding the pace.